Hey guys, I'm back. I came back from school and 2.2.0.9 came out pretty recently. Like, yeah, I was in the middle of school when it came out, so I don't have everything. But don't worry, I saved uh, my profile. So, all right, let me go into my phone real quick. My phone's kind of awful to have low battery. I'm gonna have to fix that. Oh, you heard that? Let me just uninstall the update that I had on my phone. Let me update it on my phone. What the? I just now realized that this thing is now gone. I just now realized that. You know what? Never mind. Let me go back to. I'm going to go back to. I just got back 2.2. I don't like 2. Because they removed the trigger textures, and I do not like that. But anyway, I also accidentally uninstalled the one from my phone too. There you go. I got it back. Let me log into my account. I'm sorry it takes you pretty long before we get to construction. Alright, cool. So one thing that I forgot to do during my last part is adding shake triggers. So there is a shake trigger. So what I'm going to do is add one. And then I'm going to be adding a strength all the way to 5. Interval will be 0.01. Duration will be 65. So we haven't added that in a while. And start adding another shake trigger, I guess, like on this side. Now the strength would be 2.23. Actually, no, it's 2.33. Interval would be 0.01. Duration would be 65. Now the static trigger for this, I tried and it doesn't really work. So the only thing that I can do is do touch triggers. So I'm gonna go add a start position and slow the game a little bit. I will do this, and if it doesn't work, this is one more time for me doing that. And if it doesn't work, then I can't help. Yeah, for somehow the music is not working. Oh, because I haven't downloaded that. So our static trigger. Oh, we went way too far. So here it is. So my topic would be from here, which is a four. The group is 46. So I would keep that like touch triggered and 46. Now I'm pretty sure that I don't know if it's either X or Y only or I have to disable them. But listen, all right. So how I do this? So it just goes back where it was. But however, that's because the static trigger wasn't there. So what I had to do is same as this. Now I had to move the rotate like I'm. I just do one. Yeah, I think I guess one is good. Also, the mirror portal should join because they all affect the camera movements. Static that what we're gonna put there is also gonna be the same. So, what's that you're doing is that editor out. Now, okay, we have to add a group ID for this one. So I think I did add that. 8. The group ID was 8. So we're gonna add. Okay, I already selected it. Okay, so we're gonna add 8 here, and we're gonna move the 0. Now, if this is not working, then I can't help, and I'm gonna have to like ask people on the Discord server about this. Okay, that looks pretty good. Not gonna lie, that looks pretty good. Now all we have to do is do the last one, which is this one, this section, and then we're done for the static. I don't even get it why there's like 2 of them, but I'll add a group ID to be 9. So we're gonna add 9 here, and let's see what this does. Oh yeah, I think I forgot to set that one a toggle touch triggered, right? I forgot to set that. There we go. I set it that. Now we should be good. Now we got that one. All right. Oh, so yeah, it's not bad. However, I'm gonna have to look at the sneak peek for the actual one.
Geometry.
Oh, there it is. So there's the music. All right, so we need to have it like this. So let's go ahead and try to adjust the movements for this. Now that one's not too bad the way how this. There are some missing things there in there. That looks good, but there are some off things that happen. So if there's something that goes off screen, we don't have to redo the static because we have camera offset. So I guess the static has to be a little bit more, like I'm gonna say 0.2. And we have to zoom it out a little bit, so we have to add a zoom trigger. I guess we don't really need to have it the touch ID. I mean, we don't really have it that much. Pretty sure we can do it 2. Also the same thing. So we can, let's see. Okay, so compared to this, I don't think think it's too bad. I think what we're gonna have to do is put this down a little bit. So that's not hard at all. That should be pretty easy. So what we have to do is get our. Oh, right now the weather is rainy. It's not thunder, but it's just rain. It's 3:41 p.m. by the way. Oh yeah, the offset. Let's have the offset right here. And then we're gonna adjust the Y a little bit, like I'm gonna say like 5. Now I guess it's a good idea to separate the triggers away from us. Yeah, the static trigger, that one's nothing. You actually place it there, and the rotate trigger. Actually, you know what? I would say keep it there because they're touch triggered, right? Yeah, that was actually a mistake. Sorry. All right, let's try to see if the offset works. All right, cool. Hey, that's not too bad. So the only thing left to do is try not to like keep adding changes to this. I'm glad. I'm actually good at this. So okay, I need to do it. Okay, there's actually a cheat way to do this. That's why these 3 spikes right now. I'll try to do that later. Alright, 1, 2. Okay, this has 3 changes, and this has 2. So what came first? Okay, the backwards started first. So the backwards one was the first one too. So then what else is that the rotation became first. Okay, I'm gonna have to adjust that a lot lower. Let's just remove that. But we're gonna have to put it like somewhere here, and we'll make this all the way low. So we'll see if we have changes. So the mirror portal happened first. Okay, I see something. Oh, the rotation started second. Wait, no. Oh, the teleport started second.
Geometry.
So what happened? So we finally know the mirror portal started first. Now let's see what happens with that. I don't get it. I think that would say the mirror portal probably started it first. But I don't know if there's like an only chance to fix that. Oh, okay. So I think that either the mirror portal should start first. You see, they're not aligned. The static and the rotate, they should be together like this. Oh, cool. So I have 2 changes now. Okay, so the mirror portal. Guys, this is unbelievable. I literally just removed everything. Like seriously, like there's this. It's like bugging me, and obviously what happened is that now like almost the entire thing crashes. Now I have to repeat the whole thing. Just wonderful. Now I don't think it's gonna be too bad to be honest. Now let me go and fix everything. All right. All right, thankfully got everything. So the first and the second change, I mean on a zero point 0.1 times speed, you can see the second change, but I don't think it's actually going to be fine for the first one. I think for the solution would be just move like 1 pixel, I guess. But for this one, we still need some issues. That's mainly because the mirror portal started it first, so I'm gonna move it like backward like that. Yeah, you probably see the second transition. I don't think that we won't be able to have it to be able to work, or do we actually need something for that? I don't know. Let's go. I don't know if it's gonna work before transportal. I don't know. And also another issue is that when it hits the teleportation portal, it should like disconnect, right? That the second one is complete, but the first one needs some issues. See now that transition, the second transition is not complete. Never mind. I don't know. It had some issues. Probably because of the mirror portal. I don't know. Let's check that again. I think the first one is okay. I guess that has to do with the mirror. I don't know. Let's see what it looks like without it. See, I don't know if you can like barely see it. And let's also, matter of fact, exit the static trigger. Now, let me just save my account. I don't know why it just keeps doing that. This is gonna be a wrap up for today's video. I'll see you later.